Hello, I'm Tenzin Wangyal Rinpoche, and I wanted to introduce the Tibetan Yoga of Dream and Sleep workshop. This is also a title of my book, which has been translated into over 20 languages. So, why the Dream Yoga practice is very important? First of all, uh, 1/3 of our lifetime we sleep, and many of us we don't know what is happening during that time. And ancient great masters, they taught us how to uh, discover the potentiality of dream yoga, and how we can find so much more time to practice, and that time in our sleeping time can be a greatest moment of our transformation. Particularly in the Western world, one thing we always say is, I don't have a time. I don't have a time to grow. I don't have a time to be happy. I don't have a time to practice. I don't have a time to reflect in myself. And but it seems like we always have a time to have stress, time to have get depressed, time to get feeling down, and like that. So the dream yoga practice is really like a kind of very important ways of finding a new solution, and also of breaking the pattern of our negative patterns. For example, the day, every single thing, the way you see the world, where you react the world, where you are living your life, is constantly you are producing a dream and sleep experiences, and but we are not aware of that. We think day is day, we think night is night. They don't have direct influences to each other. It's not like that. Every single dream, every single experiences of sleep is affected by your day. So dream yoga practice teaches you how to be, how to see, how to relate, how to practice the awareness, which can directly impact your dream and sleep. At the same time, dream yoga practice also teaches you, when you have a like a lucid dream, with the practices of developing lucid dream, when you have a lucid dream, how you work with your dream. So in dream, you can transform many patterns of years or years of your negative patterns can be transformed within the lucid dream. For example, if you have so much fear in your life, and and in the waking state you are relating your relationship with the fear, with your work with the fear, your future with the fear, your projects with the fear, fear become a core issue of your life. And when you discover that within the sleep as a dream, and when you have a lucid dream, and when you change that dream and change the core quality of that dream, which is fear, then you change something deep inside in your life, and that change in dream will impact your waking state, waking consciousness. For example, if a real one strong transformation in a dream, when you wake up in the next morning, you might feel completely that fear that you have been having for the last 15, 20 years is no longer in the same form or same strong as it used to be, or maybe it almost gone or gone. That kind of transformation clearly can take place. So that I believe that sometimes many uh, hours of analysis on a specific dream can be transformed in a single lucid dream, when a great transformation happens within the sleep. Impact could be same or very similar. So the dream yoga practice is to break this years of pattern, which day is affecting your night, and the night not sleeping, sleep nightmares, recurring dreams, and kind of feeling sense of loss, exhaustion, and then it's going back and affecting your day. So either able to change in a dream, impacting day, bringing the awareness in the day, impacting dream. So this giving more possibility of breaking the cycle of those negative patterns.